Your name once again? Bafo from Ghana, guys. I met him here in Kathmandu. So just one question, like, is it your first time here?
No, second time here.
Second time. What do you think, like, what do you think or how do you feel about Nepal in general?
Nepal is a very good country.
Okay.
That's why we are all here. Very peaceful. They respect foreigners.
Okay.
They are very good people. Good people, all general good people.
Okay.
Yeah, if there's no peace or respect here, we won't come here again.
Okay.
It's a very nice place to be. Holidays, work, no problem for you. If only you don't have problem for yourself, no problem for anybody here.
Thank you so much. He came Nepal for the second time, so for sure that's true. For me, it's my first time, and honestly, I will say Nepal is very peaceful, guys. Nepal is very peaceful. Like I can also tell you in Nepali language, like Nepal Sundar Santa Desho, guys. It is very unique, and people